In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment reminders in Acuity scheduling effectively. Understanding this process can greatly enhance your customer communication and ensure that both you and your clients are always prepared for upcoming appointments. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by accessing your reminder settings. Begin by logging into your Acuity account. If you're not familiar with this part yet, your login credentials should have been set up when you initially created your account. Once you're in, navigate over to the email settings panel. If you're using an older version of the interface, you might notice it's labeled slightly differently as client email. No worries, it functions exactly the same way. From there, you want to click on the Reminders section. This will be your gateway to customizing how your email reminders are sent out. Now that you're in the Reminders area, it's time to set up your reminder schedule. Acuity allows you to send up to 3 email reminders for each appointment. Typically, when you first start, there's a default reminder set to go out 24 hours before the appointment, which you might find quite useful. To make adjustments, click the button that allows you to either modify an existing reminder or, if you need more communication, create a new one. Within this section, you'll come across a key feature labeled Send This Reminder. This field lets you decide exactly how many hours or days ahead of the appointment you'd like the email to be sent. It gives you flexibility, allowing you to cater to different client needs or to align with any specific communication strategy you might have in place. In the next part of the process, you'll determine who will receive these reminders. Acuity gives you the option to send reminders either directly to the client or, if you prefer, to both the client and the admin. This flexibility can be really useful, especially if you need to keep tabs on reminder communications for record keeping or follow-up actions. Once you've set that up, don't forget the most important step. Click on Save Settings. This ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and that your chosen settings are applied and ready to go. By following these steps, you'll have better control over your client communications, reducing the chances of missed appointments and keeping everything running smoothly. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to tweak your reminder schedule or add new elements as your business needs evolve. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!